A Michigan Moment Snapshot.
It's now 1918, in northwest Michigan, just south of Charlevoix. Businessman Albert Loeb, then acting president of Sears and Roebuck, built something unusual. He called it Loeb Farms. But this was no ordinary farm. It was a model farm, designed to test modern equipment and showcase high-producing dairy cattle. The stone buildings, inspired by the barns of Normandy, France, were both practical and striking. Arched corridors, towers, and thick masonry built to last Michigan winters. At its peak, the estate included a mansion, dairy barns with electric milking machines, a horse barn, blacksmith shop, and even a round office. It became the largest employer in Charlevoix County, complete with its own baseball team, the Sodbusters. But after Loeb's death in 1924, the operation declined, closing just 3 years later. What followed was a second life, first as a restaurant, then an artist's space, and later a music venue hosting acts like Aerosmith and Tina Turner. Today, you know it as Castle Farms. The property has been restored and preserved. It stands not just as architecture, but as evidence of a time when industry, agriculture, and ambition met on Michigan soil.